Now let's discuss the map of our soil, major soil types of India. Right? Now see, here on page number 62, you can see the map has already been given. What type of soils are found where? Right? Now here the colors also has been given. Along with that, types of soil, colors, and what type of name of the soil has been given. Like for example, alluvial soil. So alluvial soil is found where? In northern plains, right? So you will find the whole northern plains are covered with mustard color. This is the whole alluvial soil you will found. Alluvial soil you will found here in the part of Gujarat also, in the eastern Ghats also. So this all are the part where the alluvial soil is found. Right? If you are in exam, it was asked okay, where alluvial soil is found. You can show Uttar Pradesh also. You can show the whole northern plains also. You can show the eastern Ghats also. Right? You can show the part of Gujarat also. So this is what the alluvial soil is. Black soil. You can see the whole Maharashtra, part of Madhya Pradesh. Right? Then the other part of the peninsular region of south, you will found alluvial soil, part of Karnataka also, right? So here you will found the black soil in part of Gujarat also. So this is where the black soil is found: Gujarat, Maharashtra, then Karnataka, right? This all are the region. Then red soil. Red soil also you will found in a very large area, right? Kerala is there, Tamil Nadu is there, Karnataka is there. So here Telangana is there. These all are the places where alluvial soil is found. Odisha is there. Part of Haryana, Chhattisgarh is there. Sorry, Haryana nahi, Chhattisgarh is there. So these all are the places where red soil is found. You can write any region. Part of the northeastern part is also there where you will found red soil. Then comes the laterite soil. Laterite soil you will found in Western Ghats. Right here you will found green color. You can see. Right here also you will found in the part of Madhya Pradesh also, upper part of the Madhya Pradesh also. Then comes the forest soil. Forest soil you will found in the upper part only, means in a mountainous region only. Mountain soil and forest soil are same. So the forest soil is the whole Jammu and Kashmir, part of northeastern, right? The Arunachal Pradesh, and this all are the part where you will found the forest soil. Desert soil you will found desert soil you will found in Rajasthan, part of Punjab and part of Haryana, and little part of Gujarat also, run of Kutch. So here where you will found a desert soil. So in this way how it is it has been given. Now let's go through the exercise. Answer the following questions in details. Now answer the following question in details. What is meant by resource? Resource, describe its usage. Right? So go to page number 59. In first paragraph, definition of resources has been given. That you have to write. Uses of resources. The uses of resources, like resources as a food, resources as a raw material, and resources as a energy resources. So that all the part you have to write down in detail. So this is what the first question answer should be written. Right? The second is, what is meant by soil conservation? State the remedies of soil conservation. So that is on page number 65, question 2. Soil conservation definition. What is soil conservation is there, right? And remedies of soil conservation, that what we had right now discussed, that roots of forest cover, then plant trees near the river gorges, then more and more trees should be grown, rivers should be controlled, right? So this all are the unrestricted pasturing should be done. So this is what you have to take care of. What state the remedies of soil conservation? Kindly write down in the points only. Then answer the following question as directed. Describe the process of soil formation and state on which basis these are classified. So this answer you will found where? On page number 61. here the whole soil formation has been written, right? What is the formation of the soil, that topic only has been given. And what are the how the soils are classified, so on the basis of color, climate, parental rocks, and the name of the soil also has been given. So this all you have to write down in this answer. Write a note on alluvial soil. Alluvial soil note you will found on page number 61. The whole alluvial soil topic you have to write. Write notes on black soil, right? That is the next topic on page number 63. The whole topic you have to write down in the notes and in the points. Now state the remedies to prevent soil erosion. Means to prevent soil erosion, what should be done? So that also has been given on page number 64. What is the definition of soil erosion? Then grazing activities there, plantation should be done, plant trees in fallow land, right? So all these things you have to write down in the prevention of soil erosion. What is mountain soil? The whole topic of mountain soil, that is on page number 63. Mountain soil you have to write down. Then short note about the desert soil, that also has been given on page number 63 only, that you have to write. So this is whole topic about the natural resources that has been over, right? And kindly do the objectives by yourself, right? And try to do around 25 objectives. Try to find out at least 25 objectives from this chapter.